How to repaste a Dell 5420. But first, prepare the tools you'll need. Pause the video now and gather them. Lay your laptop down on its back to open its bottom case. There will be a total of 8 screws holding the bottom case. Here, I'm using a 0-point Phillips screwdriver. Here, I'm using a pick and a spudger to remove the bottom case. Inspect the bottom case for debris or dust. Here's a closer look. Look at that. Always remove the battery first, before doing anything. There will be 2 screws holding the fan. Now, I'm removing the fan connector. There will be a total of 4 screws holding the heatsink to the CPU. Do this gently, so you don't bend the heatsink. I'm using a soft bristle brush to remove any dust that may be stuck. Here I'm using cotton swabs and the spudger to remove the old thermal paste. Here, I'm using a 99% alcohol. I will be linking it on the comments section. Now, let's focus on these dirty fans. Now, let's clean the CPU itself. I am using the Arctic MX6 thermal paste. I will also be linking it on the comment section. Now, align the screw holes to fit your heatsink perfectly. I will be screwing the fans first, then the heatsink. Make sure you follow the orientation on the heatsink on how to screw it back properly. Make sure to reconnect the fan connector. Lastly, reconnect the battery. Don't forget to clean the bottom case. Just screw back the 8 screws. Then you're done. Congrats! You've successfully repasted your Dell 5420. If you want more content like this, please subscribe, leave a comment, and like the video. Thanks.